Welcome to Profitable DIY Ideas, where creativity meets income and simple materials turn into something truly valuable. If you enjoy smart DIY projects that you can actually sell and earn from, don't forget to subscribe and tap the bell icon so you never miss a new idea. Today, we're transforming scrap into a beautiful, fancy lamplight using simple wood and metal pieces that might otherwise be thrown away. This is not just a creative project, it's a real opportunity to turn waste into profit. Because sometimes, what looks like scrap is actually hidden potential. Let's start with the idea behind this project. Old wood pieces, leftover metal parts, or even unused household items can be turned into stylish home decor. And handmade lamps are always in demand. People love unique, warm lighting that adds character to their space. So imagine this, a rustic wooden base, combined with a simple metal frame, and finished with a soft glowing bulb. It's not just a lamp, it's a product you can sell. Now, if you're a beginner, don't worry. This project is simple, and you don't need expensive tools. Start by selecting a solid piece of scrap wood for the base. Sand it down to make the surface smooth. This step alone can completely transform how the wood looks and feels. Next, you'll need a metal element. This could be an old pipe, a rod, or even a reused bracket. Attach it securely to the wooden base. This will hold your bulb fixture. Make sure everything is stable and balanced. Now comes the wiring. Use a basic lamp holder and wire set. Carefully connect the wiring through the metal piece, making sure everything is safe and properly insulated. If you're new to this step, take your time and follow simple safety guidelines. Once your structure is ready, it's time to bring in the style. You can paint the base, leave it natural for a rustic look, or add a polished finish. Even small details, like a matte black metal finish or a warm wood stain, can give your lamp a premium feel. And just like that, you've created something beautiful from scrap. Now let's talk about turning this into profit. Handmade lamps like this can be sold online, at local markets, or even through social media. People are always looking for unique, handmade decor pieces that feel different from mass-produced items. This is where smart upcycling becomes powerful. You're not just creating a product, you're solving a problem, reducing waste, and building something people value. If you take this further, you can create variations, different shapes, sizes, and finishes. This gives you a small product line, all from materials that cost very little. And to make your work easier, organizing your small workshop is key. Keep your tools in one place, your materials sorted, and your workspace clean. Even a small area can become highly efficient when everything is within reach. This not only saves time, but also helps you stay focused and productive every day. At the end of the day, this is more than just a DIY project. It's a way to create, to innovate, and to earn, starting with what you already have. Thank you for spending time with me here on Profitable DIY Ideas. If you enjoyed this project, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell icon so you never miss more creative ideas that can turn into real income. And before you go, make sure to watch the next video on your screen. Your next profitable idea might be waiting for you right there.
Say it louder, say it louder. Feel the moment, feel the power. Bring the animal back to life. Bring the energy one more time. If you feel like letting go, you can take control. You can turn this all to something beautiful, where you feel life gets you down, down, down. Gets you down, down, down. Say it louder, say it louder. Feel the moment, feel the power. Bring the animal back to life. Bring the energy one more time.